We gained about 500,000 cubic feet of furniture storage space. We're a furniture retailer here based in South Florida. We cover anywhere from down to the Keys all the way up to the Central Florida area over in Ocala market as well.
The reason we brought in lithium ion is old acid cell batteries were a pollutant to us. So we wanted to get rid of that for one, environmental, two, our associates' health, three, we gained some area in the warehouse.
We used to have, if you can imagine, in our DC and Tamarack, we had a whole battery maintenance area. We had what we call the BHS system, you know, that battery handling system, which you had all of the lead acid, and if everyone remembers, you have to have 3 batteries for each piece of equipment, so you can have 8 hours charge, 8 hours cool, and 8 hours of use scenario, and rotating those batteries. So one, we gained a lot of square footage, like you mentioned. Now, what we've been able to do with that square footage and leverage that is I've been able to add more racks. We gained about 500,000 cubic feet of furniture storage space.